Okay, kids, good morning. Today we're going to teach you how to score and then cut a piece of 3-inch. And I know I could just use a 4-wheel cutter, even though I don't have a 4-wheel cutter. I have a ghetto-ass 1-wheel cutter. This will help you, make it so you don't bevel the pipe, and it's just more time and experience you'll get it. But a lot of people, no, just use the 4-wheel cutter. Suck a dick. I'll do it my way. Come look at this nice little score around the pipe. Okay? So, now that you got that and you don't have some bitch-ass apprentice to hold the pipe for you, what you can do is this. I'm going to put this back where it should be. You can either take this or a piece of pipe, put it in here. This way, it doesn't fall on the fucking floor and ding up your, especially if it's schedule 10, your groove. Got it?